Will be, yeah.
What do you mean you will be? Am I being detained or not? Because I would like to leave. Guys, look, I'll leave.
Hey.
Alright then, detain me. Alright, I'll put it down. I'll put it down. Don't put me in cuffs. There's no need to put me in cuffs.
Switch it off as well, please. If you are
Why?
going to detain, it needs to be switched off.
It started as a calm, ordinary moment on a public sidewalk, with nothing visibly dangerous, and nothing to suggest this would become anything more than a routine exchange. Then, authority stepped in. Suspicion took over, and a simple camera turned into threats of arrest, detention, and handcuffs. So how did something this normal spiral into a confrontation this serious before the night was over? This isn't staged, and it isn't stock footage. This is real life, captured by koleeberks. Every second you're watching actually happened. The full unedited source video is in the description. Transparency is a duty, not a choice.
It certainly is. So do you think if you were to go past 10 Downing Street right now and just film like that constantly?
Could people film Big Ben? People film Parliament all the time. Tourists.
But do you not think somebody would come out and at least speak to you and ascertain who you are and what you're there for?
No, but I don't have to give over any details. That's the thing. These are divisional officers. I'm getting bored now. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, I'd be interested to see if you've ever got any success and not been spoken to standing outside.
I have many times.
Yeah. So, where?
Various police
Where
stations.
have you stood and nobody has spoken to you?
I went to St Leonard's. I was there. Officers were aware of my presence. They didn't engage me. They didn't speak with me.
Yeah. Well, again, as I say, everybody's entitled to deal with things their own way, aren't they? And I certainly don't feel comfortable with what you're doing. And I would feel terrible if something...
Camera in public should not be enough to trigger this level of suspicion. And right from the start, you can hear the real standard being tested here. Not the law, but whether the police are personally comfortable with being watched.
Happens
Nothing's going to happen, man.
That's me taking your word again, you understand? So if something happened as a result of this interaction and I done nothing about it...
What could happen? What could I gain from this footage? I don't really understand.
Well, you would know the comings and goings of the police, you would know where things are stored.
I know, but this is done overtly.
I know.
And I've given you more than...
But you might as well be doing it covertly if nobody speaks to you. So the fact you are being overt, I absolutely appreciate it. It makes our life a lot easier.
Yeah, I'm giving you ample opportunity to
anything.
grab me. Like someone that would have those motives would definitely be doing it covertly. And as mentioned, who's to say that those cars don't have dash cams in them?
As I've said to you,
that could record everything.
I'm not saying that those are your motives. I'm trying to establish what your motives are. And at the moment, your explanation to me doesn't really satisfy me that is...
That's the contradiction at the heart of so many of these encounters. He's being treated as suspicious for filming openly, even though openness is the opposite of secrecy.
All your motives is to put something on the YouTube or whatever you haven't actually explained to me what it is you do. You've just said that you want these for your own records and all will be revealed soon. All will be revealed soon could mean absolutely anything. You must understand that. Does that make sense?
I mean...
Like, what is that? What is that? I mean, what does that even mean? All will be revealed soon?
As in, pending the outcome of
another incident that you've dealt with?
Of this interaction today. If my rights are not infringed, then I'll give you a more than reasonable explanation for my presence. You're breaking me down right now through just through sheer boredom.
This is a two-way thing.
I'm on the verge of just handing over my details just so I can...
Do you know what, man? This is a two-way thing. Yeah. Like, we've got better things to be doing as well. You understand that?
No, you're just wasting taxpayers' money right now.
Once the explanation stops being enough, the conversation turns into leverage. He knows it. They know it. And that's when a simple stop starts feeling like a test of who will give in first.
As I've explained to you, alright,
because I need to take a phone call.
Well, as you just said, you're getting worn down by it. They're starting to look up specific legislation that's going to probably mean that you will get detained.
Okay.
The way we can get around that is by you giving me your details right now. You can then take your phone call.
So I can't take my phone call now?
So you would rather... Are you telling me at the moment you would rather get detained than... Like what?
I don't want to be detained. This is my right to take photographs. I can't simply just concede to your demands.
Yeah, fair enough.
You're doing it for, like YouTube, Facebook?
There's something along those lines, yeah.
I'm just curious.
Yeah.
Anything.
Honestly, no trouble, nothing hostile about it.
Right.
Again, as mentioned, if I'm happy with the outcome, then I'll give a completely honest explanation.
This is where rights become expensive. Not illegal, just inconvenient enough. that surrender starts being presented as the sensible option.
It sounds like a bit of an empty threat, though. So you're basically saying if we let you go about your business and we don't ask for your details, and we don't establish why you're here, you'll give us what, a positive review. Like,
not a positive review. I will tell you my my genuine motive, and of course this is out of sheer courtesy. I don't owe you anything. I don't owe any explanation. I don't have to account for my presence in a public place.
So can I just go and explain what our concern is?
Of course.
And then you can see where we're coming from. So obviously it's a police building. We get a lot of people who try to go and basically do reconnaissance on us, try to follow us home, stuff like that. Things that go and put basically us and our family in danger. So when we're seeing people come in and out of their private cars, you can understand why we get a bit concerned about that. You see where we're coming from?
If it's that much of a security risk, you should consider like public transport, cycling.
Reconnaissance is a powerful word because it does so much work for them. It takes an ordinary camera and drapes it in the language of threat, even before any actual offence is named. And
to be here today, I'm going to head back today. So, if you can just let me know what needs to be done, or if you can.
The long and short of it is we're going to ascertain your details, okay? Whether you choose
how are you going to do? How are you going to do that?
Whether you choose to oblige, okay, or you'll be detained. That's essentially the.
But like, you can detain me, you can search me, but I don't have anything with my ID on it.
Yeah, but you'll be taken to a police station. And
so I'll be arrested, and then you'll take my prints. Is that what will happen?
If you refuse to tell us who you are, they will absolutely take you to a police station and take your prints.
Really?
Of course they will.
Really? So
Because we can't just have people standing outside, we don't know what their intention is, and just let them go. I've told you before that'd be a neglect to my duty, okay? I've had a reasonable conversation with you. I thought we were getting somewhere. I'm now starting to feel like you're not going to play ball, and you're waiting and pushing us to detain you. Okay?
Now the choice is laid out plainly. Identify yourself or be taken in. That's no longer a conversation about reassurance. That's pressure, dressed up as procedure.
So
I've been doing so much I don't want to talk anymore, you know. I've been doing so much talking. Can I make a phone call?
You two, why have you been filming outside the police station?
It's a matter of public interest.
What is the public interest exactly?
The public are interested in interactions with police, seeing if the rights of the public are going to be respected, to take photographs from public places.
Yeah.
I'm not in a position to give my details.
It's a wee bit suspicious that you're just going around filming different police stations.
Well, suspicion is not a crime.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my rights to be respected.
Right. Okay. And how long have you been doing this for?
Today?
Yeah.
I went to Gayfield. Is that what?
His answer is simple: public interest, public rights, public space. But the more consistent his purpose sounds, the more suspicious it seems to them, because consistency makes this feel deliberate instead of accidental.
Honestly, I don't have time to be. Am I free to go?
Right now, all we're looking for is your name.
All right, but I'm not going to give my name. Not because I've got something to hide, but because I'm not. By law, I'm not required to give my name.
Why don't you want to give your name? Like, can you not see it as it's reasonable for us to sit and stop and speak to you? I feel that's the reaction you're looking for, all right? For us to come and speak to you. You've been going around different stations.
Okay, so if this is purely to get a reaction, then why are you so concerned about my name?
Because we want to know why you're wanting this reaction, why you're filming. We want to know who you are. Okay, if someone's going around filming the gates, it's reasonable to ask who they are.
I'm afraid I can't. I'm not going to give over any details.
Is there any reason in particular?
No, I'm not hiding anything. You know.
This is one of the clearest moments in the whole exchange. He is not refusing because he's hiding. He is refusing because once rights become optional under pressure, they aren't rights for very long.
I just want to be left alone. I don't know why it's going up chain of command and that. All for a photographer. Like it seems a bit heavy-handed.
Well, I wouldn't say when it comes to our security. Do you know what I mean?
Do you mind if I make a quick phone call?
Wait a minute. Hopefully we'll be.
I'll do it in front of you. I'm not hiding anything. I just want to let.
I'll wait a minute and then we'll see what's going on.
Still trying to get to the bottom of it, mate. Right? If you want to make a phone call,
so what is it?
You're not detained, so you can make a phone call, okay? But we don't know how this is going to be resolved, all right? So at the moment, we're just asking for your courtesy to remain here. But if you want to make a phone call, absolutely, you make a phone call, all right?
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if that's just another one of your things that you're trying to.
No, I genuinely need to make a phone
call.
My phone's been buzzing.
Right. If you want to make a phone.
You can hear the exhaustion setting in now. Not just boredom, but the slow wear of being kept in a loop until frustration starts doing the work that law cannot.
Formally, because I'm not satisfied
What's
with
the
what
offence?
you're doing. I don't know if you're doing hostile reconnaissance.
I'm not doing a hostile
I don't know
reconnaissance.
that, so that's what I would certainly be looking to
Okay.
question you about. All right.
What offence would that be?
Sorry.
What offence would you be looking to arrest me under?
Well, again, this is all coming from above. All right. This is not an area I specialise in. Okay. I'm not.
There would be an unlawful arrest.
I don't have every single bit of information ever on legislation, okay, but I can definitely seek that information, and I will make sure you will be arrested on the correct protocol, alright?
Okay.
But at the moment, I don't have that information to hand. I know you're trying to...
You don't have those powers. I'm not trying to trip you up. I'm operating within the boundaries of the law. I wouldn't expect to be arrested for taking photographs from a
We've had a
pavement.
conversation here, okay, and it's only fair for you and us to have this conversation formally, if that's where it goes. So, that would
Formally
be
for
the
what?
This may be the most revealing moment of all. A serious accusation is put on the table, but the legal ground under it still sounds uncertain. Power moves faster than clarity.
Okay.
Okay, let me explain something to you, right? So, I'm conducting what's otherwise known as an audit of the police station.
Okay.
So the idea is to film from public places and to see whether the authorities respect the rights of the public to take photographs.
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel
Okay.
that specialises in these
That sort of
auditing and this sort of thing, right? So I can't just, this is a civil rights movement, right? I can't just concede and give over details, because when I upload this, people are going to say, oh, well, you know, you haven't stood up for your rights, you've backed down under threat of arrest. Do you understand what I mean?
Totally
So this is the reason why I can't just divulge
but
my
you
information.
have a choice. If you could go away from this and go, this wasn't a successful day of filming, alright?
Well, no, ordinarily I would just...
Now the motive is finally spoken out loud. An audit, a channel, a civil rights test. But by this point, the explanation almost doesn't matter anymore, because the interaction has already become about control.
Offence, I can leave. What you're doing now is not good, and you're saying that you'll arrest me because I won't give my details. So inevitably, because of my circumstances today, because you're being persistent like this, I'm going to be cornered into a situation where I'm going to have to give details. Not because I want to, but under duress and fear of arrest. I don't want to give my details.
It's not duress.
Of course it's duress, because you both just
It's
put hands on me and you said that you're going to arrest me. I would like to leave. May I please leave? Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
Yes, you will be, yeah.
What do you mean you will be? Am I being detained or not? Because I would like to leave. Guys, look, I'll leave.
Right.
Alright, then detain me. Alright, I'll put it down. I'll put it down. Don't put me in cuffs. There's no need to put me in cuffs.
Switch it off as well, please, if you are going
Why?
to detain, it needs to be switched off.
It doesn't need to be switched off.
And that's the ending these encounters keep circling toward. Not understanding, not resolution, just hands-on, detention confirmed, and the camera ordered off as the moment becomes hardest to justify.